everybody? I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Super productive day. I just got back from the skate park. It's been a while since I went skating, so I'm super tired. My muscles are super sore, but that's besides the point. The point is, we got another location. Probably a week back, I talked to my boss and asked him if I could put in a gumball machine. He was kind of iffy about getting back to me with a response. I mean, I called him. Hey Deepak, what's up? How are you? Hey, quick question. You remember we were talking a little bit about the candy machines?
What about?
The candy machines? Is it cool if I bring one in Monday? I can show you a picture of what it looks like, and we just set it up in the corner or something. It's small.
Just get the picture of it, okay?
Okay. Alright, bye. Oh, it's not a no. I talked to him in person 3 times. He's a busy guy, I understand. But as I was leaving today, I was like, I mean, he hasn't said no. I'm just gonna keep bugging him until he says yes or no. Sure enough, I was like, hey, you remember the gumball machine? And he was like, yeah. And I was like, is it cool if I put it in the lobby? And he was just like, go for it. So, location number 4 being placed tomorrow. I still have to get another thing of candy though. I have M&Ms, Skittles, but I need to find something else for the 3rd slot in the candy machine. I guess we're just gonna have to go to Sam's Club. Okay, with the power of editing, I'm back from Sam's Club. 62 ounces of peanut M&Ms, $10.80 with tax and everything. I'm gonna go clean the machine, adjust the sizing and everything, and do a couple test spins, and then send it off. Good morning, everybody. I just woke up. I'm gonna try and figure out how to fit the gumball machine into the inside of my truck because it looks like it might rain.
Eventually.
That was way more complicated than I thought. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. This is just end clips of me and my girlfriend eating after. Hopefully you're not hungry, but yeah, just tons of stuff on the way. Super excited for where the channel's heading, and I'll see you in the next one.